In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and host a static website on Google Cloud Platform using Google Cloud Storage. This process is straightforward and incredibly efficient for those looking to deploy basic website projects without the complexities of a full server-side environment. So, what exactly is a static website? Well, in its simplest form, it's a collection of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files that don't require any server-side scripts or databases to run. Google Cloud Platform offers several ways to serve static content, and in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the easiest method, using cloud storage buckets as your web server. First things first, you need to start by creating or choosing a Google Cloud project. Head over to the Google Cloud Console and either make a new project or select an existing one. This step is essential because all the work we'll do today will be tied to this project. Also, make sure that billing is enabled for this project, as it's necessary for hosting your website on Google Cloud Storage. The next step involves creating a cloud storage bucket, which will act as the container for your website files. In the Google Cloud Console, navigate to the Storage section, then proceed to create a new bucket. You'll need to choose a unique name for your bucket, one that's globally distinct. If you want your domain name to match the bucket, you should name it exactly as your domain, such as www.example.com. Naming your bucket this way aligns it with your website's URL structure. Once your bucket is set up, it's time to upload your website files. This includes your index.html file, along with any CSS, JavaScript, images, or other static content you wish to display. You have a couple of options here. You can either upload the files directly through the console UI, which is quite user-friendly, or you can use the G-Cloud CLI if you prefer command line tools for a more automated approach. With your files uploaded, the next crucial step is to make the content accessible to the public. For your site to be visible to visitors, you'll need to configure the bucket or the objects within it to be readable by all users with the Storage Object Viewer role. You should also ensure that any public access prevention setting is turned off, as this could inadvertently restrict access to your site. Finally, we recommend setting up the website configuration in your bucket. This involves specifying which file should be your index, usually index.html, and optionally setting up a custom error page for any 404 errors, situations where someone tries to access a page on your site that doesn't exist. While this step is optional, it greatly enhances the user experience by providing clear navigation and error handling. And that's it. You've successfully set up a static website using Google Cloud Storage. This method not only simplifies hosting, but also ensures your site is scalable and accessible. Happy building!